Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I'm going to do some color. I got an Ace Beaute Nostalgia palette from my BoxyCharm. I am going to use it today. These are the colors. They are pretty and beautiful. We are going to try some colors and see what happens. This eyeshadow look is on YouTube. Check it out. It's for my natural gentlemen and ladies. This is it. That lip oil I got from BoxyCharm, see, I've been using it. It's all the way down here now. I really love it. I have it on my lips now. It doesn't stick. It's really nice. This one. I'm going to put this in the outer corner. Remember, I already had some brown down, so I'm just putting the color over the brown. So just let us consider the brown my base, okay? We're just changing from one look to the next. Okay, so now I just put the purple down in the outer corner. This color right here. I'm putting it next to the purple. This is a nice pink. The pink is beautiful. Remember, I always put a lot of eyeshadow because my oily skin soaks it all up. So I like to do that. I want to make sure you can see. I'm not quite sure if I was turning the right way. I guess so involved in the palette, I am not even aware if I'm facing the camera the right way or not. I'll go into this one right here. It's a pink. This one was like more of a purple. You see, already losing color, but I'll redo that. Okay, and this goes right here. I'm going to use that skin color and I'm going to go over here on the edges so I can have this orange right here. I am going with. I'm gonna put it under my eye. See how pretty it looks? This is the eye look for today. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And me, again, I want to spread some love from me to you. And I will see you in another video. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye. I'm spreading joy and laughter to you. Bye. This is it. Today's look, today's look, today's look.